Hey guys, it's Nick from F150LEDs.com. Today we're outside the shop enjoying this beautiful weather, and we're here with our 2023 Ford Super Duty trimmer, and we've shown you how to swap out those dim, dingy, and frankly ugly tag lights with our crystal hyper white LEDs. The swap out is extremely easy. We're gonna show you how it's done right now. So we know our bulb is located here, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna reach my hand behind the bumper, and we'll show some pictures to help. But there's a gray connector, and you're just gonna give it a counterclockwise turn, and it will release and allow you to pull it directly down here below the bumper. So you're gonna wanna make sure that you have no power supplied to these bulbs. We're just gonna take some needle nose pliers and use some pressure, not too much, you don't wanna bust the bulb, but you're gonna wanna pull it directly away from this socket. Set that bulb away or throw it away. Then we're gonna take our MK2 bulb here, push this thick wedge base all the way in. And before we reinstall this, you want to cut the lights onto your truck, because if it doesn't light up, you want to flip it 180 degrees because the lights are polar sensitive. We've already tested ours. So now all that we need to do is put it right back into place. We'll put it into its socket and give it a clockwise turn. And then we're done. So that's all there is to making an instant aesthetic upgrade to the back end here on your 23 and up Ford Super Duty truck. Highly recommend them. You can check out these LED replacements as well as all of our custom built LEDs made specifically for your Ford Super Duty truck at F150LEDs.com. We truly appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you there. Thanks guys.